Welcome to presentation on contamination in pharmaceutical industry. In this presentation, we will understand the various sources of contamination. We will see how facilities and peoples or humans involved in batch processing can cause a contamination to the pharmaceutical products, equipments or other tools used, products being manufactured and other factors as a contaminant in pharmaceutical industry. So what is contamination? Contamination is a process or act that causes materials or surfaces to be soiled or mixed up with the contaminating substances. Contaminating substances are the substances that are undesirable or unexpected to be found in the product. If the contaminants are on the surface of the product or the material, then it is called surface contamination. If these contaminants are gets into the entire bulk or the entire material, then it is called entire contamination. There are two broad categories of surface contamination. These are film type and second is particulates type. Based on the common sources of contaminants, these contaminants can be majorly classified into the five major sources. First, peoples or the personnel involved in batch processing, facilities, equipments or tools used to manufacture the products, product being manufactured itself and the other factors. Peoples or humans involved in batch processing are most common factor for contamination in pharmaceutical products. Skin flakes and oils used by the personnel can cause contamination to the product being manufactured. Cosmetics and perfumes being used by the person involved in batch processing also can cause contamination. Spittle or saliva, especially as ejected from the mouth, can cause contamination. Clothing debris like lint, fiber, and hairs from the personal involved in batch processing also causes contamination. Contamination from the facilities is very common. Walls, floors, and the ceilings in the manufacturing area can cause contamination to the products being manufactured. Paints and coatings, construction material, sheetrock, raw dust can be a contributing factor for contamination in pharmaceutical products. Air conditioning debris, room air and vapors, and along with these spills and the leaks also contribute to the contamination from the facilities factor. Along with people and facilities, tools also can contribute as a contaminant in pharmaceutical product manufacturing. Friction and the wear particles from the tools being used also cause a contamination to the products. Lubricants or the oils used for the equipments or the machineries can cause contamination. Due to the vibrations, particles can be generated through the various tools or the equipments that also can contribute as a contaminant. Brooms or the brush or mops, dusters used for the cleaning purpose that also can shed a particle and cause contamination to the pharmaceutical product. In some cases, the previously product manufactured or the raw material or final product get incorporated into the next product manufactured. This is might be due to the ineffective cleaning or ineffective line clearance procedure. This may cause as a contamination to the next product being manufactured. Along with this, silicon chips, quartz flakes, clean room debris, and aluminum particles can be a reason for contamination for next product being manufactured. Along with these main factors, other some factors are there which can contribute as a contaminant. These are particulates floating in the air, bacteria, organics or the moisture in the air, and along with this floor finishes or the coatings can also contribute as a contaminant. Cleaning chemicals that we used for the cleaning purpose that needs to be effectively removed from the surfaces after the cleaning procedure. If they are not removed effectively, then they may remain on the surfaces and can be a contaminant for the next product being manufactured. Deionized water or the processed water that we use for the manufacturing purpose, if it is having the contaminant in itself, then it will cause a contamination to the product being manufactured using this deionized or the processed water. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to channel for more informative videos on pharmaceutical industry.